Post-transition metals, ahead of the jump into the non-metal world, shared characteristics aren't neatly divided along vertical group lines. The post-transition metals are aluminum, Al, gallium, Ga, indium, In, thallium, Tl, tin, Sn, lead, Pb, and bismuth, Bi, and they span group 13 to group 17. These elements have some of the classic characteristics of the transition metals, but they tend to be softer and conduct more poorly than other transition metals. Many periodic tables will feature a bolded staircase line below the diagonal connecting boron with astatine. The post-transition metals cluster to the lower left of this line. The metalloids are boron, B, silicon, Si, germanium, Ge, arsenic, As, antimony, Sb, tellurium, Te, and polonium, Po. They form the staircase that represents the gradual transition from metals to non-metals. These elements sometimes behave as semiconductors, B, Si, Ge, rather than as conductors. Metalloids are also called semi-metals or poor metals. Non-metals. Everything else to the upper right of the staircase plus hydrogen, H, stranded way back in group 1 is a non-metal. These include carbon, C, nitrogen, N, phosphorus, P, oxygen, O, sulfur, S, and selenium, Se. Halogens. The top 5 elements of group 17 from fluorine, F, through astatine, At, represent one of 2 subsets of the non-metals. The halogens are quite chemically reactive and tend to pair up with alkali metals to produce various types of salt. Noble gas, any of the 7 chemical elements that make up group 18 or 8A of the periodic table. The elements are helium, He, neon, Ne, argon, Ar, krypton, Kr, xenon, Xe, radon, Rn, and oganesson, Og. The noble gases are colorless, odorless, tasteless, and non-flammable gases.